Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca. If you are returning, then welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little bit of an update of what's kind of been the situation during lockdown, and also I've got a little Birchbox unboxing as well for you. This is actually April's box. It's really late, but it has literally just arrived today. They did obviously send emails out saying that there will be a time delay and everything like that, which is absolutely fine. If you'd like to see what I received this month and also what the updates are, then please just keep watching. So, also your opinions, what do you think of my new intro? Leave me a comment down below on what you think. Obviously, if you haven't noticed already, I have changed my channel art, which is the banner on top of my YouTube channel, my YouTube picture, and also now my intro. I've tried to get them to theme all kind of together so that they all kind of match. So let me know what you think of that in the comments down below. So as for like updates in lockdown, obviously today is Saturday, so it's a little bonus video. I will still be uploading my normal video tomorrow, but just because this has literally just arrived today, I thought I would film it because I've already got my video sorted for tomorrow and it's already ready to go. So I thought, well, this is just like a little quick video and also I can give you a bit of an update. So how it is that last Sunday, Boris Johnson, obviously in the UK, obviously announced that there is going to be a phase of coming out of lockdown. As it stands, we are in, I think, phase 2. We are like the 4th of July, but as it stands at the moment, obviously if what they call that like R rating goes up, then obviously it means it will be pushed back. So that means if people don't abide by the rules, then it'll be later chances for us being able to open, which you can completely understand, because the thing is with our job, you can't really do it at a 2-metre distance, because obviously I am a beautician, nail technician and hairdresser, so it's not a job you can do in a safe distance straight away without screens and stuff. So obviously it's finding ways that we're going to be able to do that, but obviously we'll announce guidelines and stuff anyway. So that is currently the situation that we're at. So obviously it's the middle of May now, so I've still at least got till the beginning of July, where I'm going to be off work and obviously in lockdown. The weather is actually meant to be turning nice again this week. It wasn't too bad like last week, but it was a little bit more cloudier. We did still manage to get some gardening done. Like we've built like 2 like rockeries in the garden and stuff, and like a little fence with like some bamboo like screening on it. It looks really nice. So, and also we've been kind of doing like the summer house, and we've been kind of putting like a little bit of a pub in it. So it's quite nice and painted and decorated, and it's nice to kind of sit in and it's cozy, especially if it is a little bit chillier. You can kind of like dip in and out between the sun and stuff. That's it really. I'm just trying to do stuff to keep myself busy while we're in this situation. So yeah, so let's just jump straight into this box. So like I said, this is actually April's box. I can't actually remember what we were meant to get in this. I can't remember what we're getting in May's, but they've said that they're not sure when that could be delivered. I could get it in May or I could get it like in June, so we'll just see. So this is April's. So obviously you can't actually buy this box now, but I thought it'd be interesting to see what we did get, because I normally do film these kind of videos. So we'll just open it up. So this is what the box looks like. It's really nice. I like the pattern on it. Birchbox Space Anthropology. So we'll just slide open. Right, so we've got a little card like we normally do. Ooh! I think I'm going to be excited for this one. This is what the card is looking like, so we're just going to dive right into it. You can win a subscription thing, and also there's a code for it off, which is good. So this is what the box looks like. So I'll jump in first with the lip balm thing. It's cute packaging. So I'm assuming it was 2 different shades of this. I don't know. Sobe Serenity mine was in, or it was Positive Pink. Oh, that's not that's quite a good colour for me actually. I wonder if it's tinted. It's a little bit tinted, like ever so slightly. This will be nice for like when I've like got like no makeup days, or if I do like my fresh face look, which I've been wearing quite a bit. If I didn't want a bold lip, that would look quite nice with it. It does feel quite soft and quite glossy. It's not too sticky either, which is nice. I hate because sometimes you can get lip balms which have got like a tackiness to it, and I just don't really like that. Right, so the next thing we've got is the Hygiene's Paris. This is an organic purifying face wash. It's revitalization, purification and stress skin. So let's just, does it say skin type? Like, you know, because a lot of them, they have skin types. Let's have a look. Sorry, I'll just come back to this. This is a full-size product, obviously, and this retails for £13, which is good. But if you think about it, right, so the retail price is £13 and this Birchbox is only £12.95. So you already got your money back in that straight away, which is good. Super idea, that's So it says this is ideal for all skin types, with a blend of tea tree, aloe vera and glycerin. Eliminates every last trace of makeup with dirt without leaving your skin feeling dry or tight. Just a bright, healthy, clear skin. Gently massage onto wet skin and then rinse and go. Ooh. Slight downside. This sounds like a really great product, but I actually can't use it as there is an ingredient in it that I am allergic to. I do have to always check all of the kind of like ingredients, and most of it doesn't have it in, but a lot of the times when it's like for purification and helps to get away like any blemishes and stuff, normally it does have it in, because the thing that I'm allergic to is benzyl alcohol and benzyl peroxide, and benzyl peroxide is used, a lot of people sometimes use it for acne and stuff, and this actually has benzyl alcohol in it, so I'm not going to be risking this. However, my mum is absolutely fine with these products, so my mum will be receiving another face cleanser. She always seems to get my products that I can't get it. She gains in that process, but oh well. Then the next thing that we have is a facial silicone cleansing pad. Oh, so it's not a brush one. I love these. I used to use these all the time and I actually stopped using them. I don't know why. They're really flexible. I used to have a cheaper one. I got them on Amazon, I think it was £2, and it was like a blue one. I bet you it was probably actually my first skincare thing or whatever. I really like these, and to be fair, I've actually been not using them. Well, I haven't used one in ages, and I only thought the other week because I've been getting like not texture, but my skin's not been really smooth, and I've been finding that my exfoliator is not doing it. I've done a couple of masks and stuff, and I've told you before that I keep sometimes getting patches of dry skin, so I thought I was actually going to repurchase one of these to try it, and it's like, I absolutely love these. So if you see it, it's kind of got shorter bristles, like kind of like more dense short bristles there, and then there's like some bigger ones, I don't know if you can tell, like there's some bigger ones just there, and then the short ones there, and they're great because all you do is just, you can put your favourite face wash on it. To be fair, they've probably put these together, which is actually a really good idea. It'd be great for people who can use this, but yeah, this is, I'm so excited to use these again. I know that I'm already probably going to love this, but I will just use it with my normal either Neutrogena face wash or my Queso Beauty, like I have a deep cleanse one, and I'll probably use that with this. Oh, that is a fave for me, and that retails for, obviously this is it's a Birchbox exclusive, but it retails for $14.99. That face wash as well, this full size retails for $21. Right, then the next thing that we have, I think I received this pretty much like the first time, it was like I think my first or second box I actually got this, and I didn't actually mind it. It was quite nice. It's a multi-purpose dry body and like face and hair oil. You can use it for everything. When I first got it, I was actually going to give it to my mum, but I tried it for myself like as a body oil, and I really liked it, so I'm excited to get this again. I already know that I like it, and it's really nice. Then the next thing, I think we've had a couple of products from these. It's the Percy and Reed London Hair, and it's the dry shampoo. I think we've had the texture spray and is it hairspray or something. These are great for travelling. I actually took the little mini one. It's a texture spray to Tenerife for me when I went on holiday, and I just used it when I like plaited my hair at night and put a little bit in it. It was perfect, so I'm excited to try this dry shampoo, because obviously if any of you know, I do really like the Batiste dry shampoo, and I do use it quite a bit because I try not to wash my hair that often. So I'm excited to try this out. So overall, I'm quite happy with this month's box. Obviously there was that one product that I can't really use, but I will actually smell it though. I'll pop a tiny bit on my hand, just like, oh, it's like a jelly thing. It does smell really nice. Oh, it does smell really nice, and it's quite soft, but like I said, I can't use it. I I'm putting this in my hand and I will wipe it off after, like it's not going to be on for that long, just so I can see this consistency. But as for everything else, I'm really happy with it. Really like the products. So yeah, we will, I think I already know a little bit of what's going to be in May because the pictures are being released now, obviously on their pages and stuff, on Birchbox's page, which is fine. And I've had to select one of the products, which one I want. So I don't know when I'm going to get that. So whenever I get it, you will see it. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below. It helps me out so much. And if you hit the little notification bell as well, you get notified every time I upload a video. The days I'm definitely uploading every Sunday. I kind of missed Sunday last week just because I had quite a bit going on and just like a bit of a thingy. But anyway. So I kind of missed Sunday last week, but I am uploading every Sunday and I'm trying to do like another one throughout the week. So if you aren't notified, obviously you won't know that I've uploaded. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and I will just catch you in my next one. Alright, bye guys.